My name is Thomas, so I'm 21 and just finished my 6-month internship at Chemtech. I'm in business school at the moment, so my first year I'm just before my master's degree. The last 6 months I was a market researcher, so I was part of the product management team. There was an appeal for me at the technological aspect because it's something I always found quite interesting, but also the fact that it's product management and market research. I think that's a nice combo for what I wanted out of it, which is discovering new things in the business world, being able not just specializing in one aspect, or they want to do something like accounting, which is very specialized. With market research, I felt like I could discover a lot of new things, and that's actually what I found during the internship. I discovered a lot of markets. You can see some of them here, which are very broad, but also inside the company, I could speak with multiple people in different departments, mainly sales and marketing, and product management, obviously. So that was a very good learning experience. I think the thing I remember the most from the first week, but also like the first month, I'd say, is inductions, which is I did two internships before that one, and it was like you meet the people in your department, they talk to you, and that's pretty much it. You do your job. At Chemtech was a bit different. There was a lot of that, obviously learning the job, meeting the people in your department. I also got inductions with other departments, so people from all the departments, which allowed me to see the big picture inside the company, and I thought that really interesting as a learning experience. Because now when I will go back to uni, I won't just have product management knowledge about market research, also know a little bit about engineering, marketing, sales, not how those jobs function, but mostly how those departments work together, which I found very interesting. And other thing about the first week is everyone was nice and like open, so that's really something I found, like, and not just the first week, by the way, like all the way through. The day-to-day I looked at, obviously I did a lot of research online, looked at markets. So what happened was, product management team wants to create new products to like expand the company's portfolio. So every time they have an idea, they need researchers, or in that case me, to test it out, to basically see what we can find in the market, if it looks promising, how big the market is, look at the trends, and give them that feedback. And for the day-to-day, it makes it much more interesting. Personally, I don't necessarily like something that's quite repetitive. Market research could look like that because it's a lot of Google search, but at the end of the day, no, it's always different. Like sometimes I was researching tablets for like mobile workforce or in-vehicle tablets. That's one thing. Then it was computers for machine vision, which is, first of all, what is machine vision? Oh, interesting. So there was a lot to discover. Always the tech background, which I didn't really have a strong tech background, I was just curious. And I think for the market research position at Chemtech, that's fine, as long as you want to learn and discover new things. You don't need to know a lot, like have an engineering degree or stuff like that. Other people do that in the business. Your job is just to try to figure stuff out. And if you're just curious, ask the right question, and rely on other people for that part, you're good to go. So obviously I'm going to focus on the market research perspective, but you do the research, then you present it to the other people, and then you have a discussion about it, and they ask questions, you have to go back to do more research and they ask questions again, and you can contribute. But broadly, it's a very friendly environment. They have I'd say high expectations in the sense that the decision matter a lot. Like if you release a new product, that's a lot of investment, a lot of engineering costs, a lot of time spent on it. So it's important, but the people are nice. They also have laughs sometimes, and it's a really friendly experience, and you can always ask people for help, ask for a little advice, what you think about that, quickly get a word in, which has made the whole experience really enjoyable. But it's more like the diversity I got out of it. It's not one thing, it's a bit of everything. A bit of knowledge about, from market research I got knowledge about just B2B relationships, so how companies work with each other, what they value. I understood that. I also understand a bit more about supply chains, about system integration for companies, about a lot of different industries. So I got a nice overview, and I think when I will go back, that's going to help me understand things quicker, understand companies or people's problems quicker and how to address them. So that was one thing that was, I think, crucial, and that I really found useful from that internship. Short answer, you don't, because I didn't have much and I was good to go. I'd say you still need to be curious, not because like you would be stuck and like not being able to do anything without it, but it's like the more you're curious, the more you try to learn and pick up things, the more you can do, and then the more interesting it becomes. I think the internship would have been less valuable for me and also for the company if I like didn't try to learn things and try stuff. And like even today I know much more than what I knew before, but on the purely technical aspects it's not much. It's just I pick up words, I pick up why is like CPU things relevant to some application than others, or why is it more relevant in some cases than others. And that doesn't mean I'm an expert in anything. Like I worked on machine vision, I can have a nice conversation about it. That doesn't mean I know the nitty-gritty like technical aspects. That just means that I can help. My experience was positive all the way, so I'm pretty sure that it's going to be the same for them. And the other thing that they're going to have, which I didn't, since I was the first intern when I came in, is not only are they going to work with like a product team and a whole company that's really nice people, smart people that want the best for you, you also are going to work side by side with other interns and younger people that you will have fun with them, and they're going to help you, and you're going to have peers that start at the same level than you. So you're going to have people that know more that can teach you, people that know as much as you that can help you each other, and so it's a really nice learning experience for any person who wanted more.